Hello friends, I hope you are doing great. Once again you are most welcome in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to learn how to program GPIO input with Raspberry Pi board by using Python. Here we will control LED with push button. So let us get started step by step. This is a schematic diagram. Here I am using Raspberry Pi board, one LED and one button. And this is current limiting resistor 220 ohm. This is pull down resistor. It is 10k. And you can see button is connected on GPIO 17 and LED is connected on GPIO 27, right? So I hope you understood this. Now we will go to programming. So I will open VNC and go to Raspberry Pi desktop. Now I will open Thonny IDE. So go to start and programming, and this is Thonny Python IDE. Okay, click here. This is previous project program. So I will create here new program, close this and save, and here I will type button input dot py. Okay, now I will start programming here. So first of all I will import rpi.gpio library. So import rpi.gpio. We will use it as a only GPIO, and I will import sleep class from time library. From time I will import sleep. Okay, I will just create a variable. It is button is connected on 17 GPIO 17, and LED I will assign 27 because LED is connected on GPIO 27. LED and button is nothing, it is just GPIO pin. Button is a GPIO 17 and LED is a GPIO 27, right? So now I will use set mode. So GPIO dot set mode. So you can see we are using BMC Broadcom numbering. So GPIO dot BMC, and now I will use setup GPIO dot setup. Here I will set up pin as a input or output. So button, it is input, GPIO dot in, and again I will use this function for LED. So GPIO dot setup LED GPIO dot out. Okay, so button will work as a input and LED will work as a output, correct? Now I will use here while loop. It is infinite, that's why it will be true. And first I will read the button. So GPIO dot input button, it will return the data like 1 or 0. So I will store it button value. Okay, now I will print its value. So print button value. Okay, and I will use delay sleep. It is just 0.1 second. It means 100 millisecond. Now code is ready. I will just click on run. What is problem? Set mode GPIO.BMC. Sorry, here it is BCM, not BMC. Okay. Now I will click on run. You can see here it is printing 000. If I will press the button, See, it is printing here 1, and I will release the button, it is printing 0. Okay, so you can see when I will press the button, it will print 1, and release the button, it will print 0. So I will use here if statement. If button value equal to true, then GPIO dot output LED will be true, means LED will be turned on, right? And it will print LED is on. Okay, and I will use here else GPIO dot output LED will be turned off, so it will be false. Okay, and here it will print LED is off. Okay, I will remove this. Now code is ready. Stop and run again. You can see it is printing LED is off, and when I will press the button, and you can see LED started glowing. Okay, here it is mistake, it is on. Okay, now I will press stop and run. On, off, on, off, on, off, off. Wow. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you really like this video, so you can support me on PayPal. My PayPal account is given in description box. And if you have any doubt, so let me know in comment box. Please do like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.